Good evening, it's me, Bro Makoy again. So ngayon guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung aming conference hall dito sa seminary namin. So dito guys. So may pakita ko sa inyo ng bulaklak. Halaman pa na halaman. Guys ay tag 1.5 only. Isang napakagandang halaman. Saka ito is 1,000. 1,000. Lipat tayo sa isa. 1,000. Tapos 1,500. Yan, 1,500. So, yan po guys. Ito po yung conference hall. Ito yung library namin. Library. So, yun. Actually, naglilinis ako guys. Kunwari lang nagbablog ako. So, yun. So, that's all guys. Thank you for
Nani, kuantong nani ulit?
Wala pa yung uling na ay. Wala. Thank you for watching guys. So that's all for today's video. If you are new in this channel, please like and subscribe to this channel for more videos updates. So thank you. God bless. God bless. That's my brother. God bless. And see you for another video.